Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. For those who are new, welcome. I'm excited you're here, and for those who are back, welcome back y'all. If you have not subscribed already, I invite you to do so. I'd love to have you here. But today we're going to show how I fix my hair. You guys requested this and I love that. Oh my gosh, it makes me so happy to know what you guys want to see, because that's why I'm here. I create videos for you guys and I love doing it. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions, just comment below questions you have, and I'm happy to help answer any of them that you have. Let's hop into my bathroom, guys. Here we are. We're gonna turn on the faucet and we're gonna get started. I am so excited to share this with you. So my first secret to getting big curls, defined curls, pretty curls, glam curls is to get the hair sopping wet. I'm talking so wet that it's just dripping water. And you'll see here that I just take the water and just go through from root till the end and really get it really wet. So I'm turning the water off and I'm going in with my favorite brush ever. I found this on a cruise ship, y'all, and my last one broke and I just bought a new one. It lasted for like 6 years. It was really good. But I'm just brushing through, getting the tangles out. And then I'm going to go in with this Dry Bar Prep Rally. This is a prime and prep detangler. Now, I like this because it helps to detangle my hair, of course, but it also primes my hair and protects it from the heat, because I will be diffusing my hair. I usually diffuse my hair, and this just helps to protect the actual hair itself. So I brushed that through with my favorite brush. I'll link it below so that you guys can take a look at it. It's really cool. It's a good brush. I really like it. But it's funny that I just found it on a cruise ship one day and that's how it became my favorite brush. Just brushing through my hair and really trying to get the tangles out so I can prime my hair for product. So first I'm going in with the Mousse Air Turbocharged Hair Styling Foam. And guys, don't be afraid. I use a lot of product, as you can tell, but I have a lot of hair, And what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to rub my hands together, go in with a technique called praying hands. Now this just means that I am taking my hands and doing kind of a prayer motion through my hair, so I'm not separating the curls a lot. So I really wanted to show you here how I get the product in the back of my hair. So I scooched it in just a bit so that you can see. I'm going to go in with the Virtue Volumizing Mousse. And I use a lot of mousse too. It looks like a ton, but like I said, I have a lot of hair. And I just want to show you here, I'm using the praying hands technique again, but I want to show you how I get in the back, because my hair in the back is the heaviest. And so I really want to get the product in the back of the hair. And now I'm starting to scrunch the hair. And don't be afraid to scrunch the hair. But the secret is to scrunch it while it's sopping wet with the product. So you can see the curls are starting to become defined. Next, I'm going in with the Balsame Curls Redefined. This is the curl defining gel. I find that you can mix products. You don't always have to use a gel. You don't always have to use a mousse. You can tell here I am mixing all of my products together and scrunching them. Some people, you know, cocktail them in certain ways and love doing it that way, and that works for them. But for me, I just like to mix the products that I'm using. I haven't found the perfect cocktail yet, but I am still working on it, and when I do, I'll let you know. But this is what I'm doing now, and it seems to be working okay. And I am just scrunching from the tips to the roots so that I can really get good curls. So this is tip number 3. I plop my hair. Now this towel is new to me, but I have other towels. I usually use a microfiber towel, or I have a t-shirt like towel as well. Those help to prevent frizz. But this is the Aquas towel, and a lot of people love this, and this was my first time using it. But I can tell you, it is good. I've used it twice already, and it is just so nice and not too heavy either, which I like. Doesn't give me a headache. I'm putting my hair, you could see the curls were plopped in the towel, and then I'm careful because I don't want to disrupt the curl pattern. I just tie this in the back and it holds on my head. It's amazing. So it's supposed to speed up the drying time, but I'll wear it for about an hour and I'll see you back. First, I'll put the diffuser on my Dyson hairdryer. I really like the Dyson hairdryer, and now I'm taking the towel, the Aqua's towel, off my head, and you can see how the curls are so defined, and they are about 75% dry, I would say. It really helped with the drying time for me for the curls. I was just turning on the diffuser, and I am just putting the hair in the diffuser. I'm not moving it around. I'm doing it in sections. I have it on a moderate heat, not high. I don't like to diffuse my hair on high. If I diffuse it on high, it will get super, super frizzy. But I like this Dyson hairdryer. I will say, I do love the technology. I feel like it does help my hair to become less frizzy when I'm drying it. I have more control over the heat and the settings. There's a cool shot on the handle itself, and it's very well designed. I really like that. So I'll continue to blow dry my hair. So you can see the curls are starting to dry and become more defined, and you can tell that I'm just really just pulsing it up and down in the actual diffuser. So I put it down, and I'm going to go in with a spray. This is the Dry Texturizing Spray by Orbe. Now this is fantastic to increase volume, to provide texture through the hair. Next, I'm going in with the humidity spray. So this is the Orbe Anti-Humidity Spray, and I use this especially during the summertime here in the South. It can get super humid, y'all, and then my hair gets super big. Why I'm diffusing this into the hair is because I want the hold. So tip number 4 is, you see me upside down a lot. I like to style my hair upside down because I like to create volume. Tip number 5, go in with a product that's kind of thicker in nature, kind of a balm to help with frizz and flyaways, because this helps to define the curl once the curls are drier. And then you can use your fingers to try to coil the hair a little bit if you want to define it. And that really helps with frizz. So sometimes I'll go in with a hairspray or a spray wax or something like that. It's a dry wax by Kenra. And I like to go in sometimes with this to create some hold. Now my hair itself is kind of a wavy curl, and I liked sometimes to get a more defined and tighter curl, and this helps me to do that. This product by Kenra, it's really good, you guys. I would definitely recommend it, and I love it. So here we are. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the 5 secrets to getting big hair and curls. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful for you guys. I enjoyed doing this. It was so fun. It was a little different. It was kind of the first time I've ever filmed anything in my bathroom and stuff, so you know, you never know how that's gonna go when you're filming different places. But I really enjoyed doing it. I'm so thankful you guys had brought this idea to my attention and wanted to learn more about how I fix my naturally curly hair. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it, and I invite you to subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'd love to have you here, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.